What are these children celebrating? And these people? It's the 4th of July in the USA. The 4th of July is also known as Independence Day. It's a holiday in the United States where people celebrate the day the U.S. became an independent country. In 1938, the U.S. government made it a national holiday. People don't have to go to work, and they march in parades, have picnics, enjoy spending time with family and friends, and set off fireworks. In fact, the first week of July is the busiest travel week of the year in the United States. It's a day to honor and remember the history of the United States. Let's go back to the beginning. Why did they want to be independent? The people in the U.S. were unhappy being ruled by the British government. They wanted to make their own rules. So they decided to no longer be part of the British Empire and to form a new country, the United States of America. The Declaration of Independence was written in July 1776. At that time, there were only 2.5 million people living in the United States. Today, there are 325 million. And they love to celebrate the U.S.'s birthday every year.